Welcome students. So there is a new book for computer, as you can see on screen, IT Beans. It is based on Windows 7 with MS Office 2010. So let us see what is inside contents. So first chapter is networking concepts. Luckily we have already covered this chapter in detail. And second chapter is Windows Movie Maker. So we are going to start this chapter, Windows Movie Maker. So lesson 2 is Windows Movie Maker. As you already know, nowadays video editing is very popular. You are aware of TikTok videos on YouTube's, etc. Young generation or person of every age group is making his own videos and doing some editing. So we have one Windows Movie Maker software for you in your syllabus. Let us see what is inside this. So as the name suggests, it is a video editing software. Using this software we can create movies from photos and videos. We can apply special effects, transitions and themes just like in PowerPoint presentation. We can make movies for various occasions like birthday parties, family gatherings or some funny videos, etc. In just few clicks we can share movies on social networking sites such as Facebook, YouTube, etc. Now let us see some features of Windows Movie Maker. First feature is auto save the project. It means if you forget to save the project in between while doing some work on a video, then after some interval of time this software automatically saves your project so that data is not lost. So projects are automatically saved after a fixed interval of time so that data does not get lost in case of power failure or unexpected application closure. Next feature we have download music from online libraries. There are various online sources from where it can download music very easily. It allows us to directly download audio files from popular online stores such as Audio Micro and Vimeo Music Store. So these are two different libraries available on internet. Now next we have audio from a video. Now for example, you like a video and you need audio track only, not video, to use that audio in somewhere else. So for that you need to extract audio from that video. So using this software you can extract audio track very easily. Next we have outline on text. Let us see what do you mean by outline on text. So see, this is an example of text outline. So whatever the text is, there is an outline to make visibility more clear. So outline can be added on the text elements to improve visibility and appeal. We can also modify the outline color and size as per requirements. Next is proxy video. Proxy video means not actual video. It uses a low resolution video for previewing purposes only, so that software runs smoothly on any computer. Next is audio waveforms. Let us see what are waveforms. You might have seen audio something like this. So these are the waveforms of an audio. So it is very easy to separate out or to locate our audio parts by using waveforms. So this software has already audio waveforms feature. Now let us take a look at components of Windows Movie Maker. So these are all the components. First is quick access toolbar. Then we have tabs. These are known as tabs. This whole is menu bar. This is your title bar. Ribbon. This whole rectangle containing groups is a ribbon, and all these are groups. For example, this is editing group. This is your movie maker button. This is your preview monitor pane, and this part is called storyboard, where videos and photos can be browsed easily. And these are controls for playing movie or for going to next or previous track. And this is changing thumbnail size, zoom, slider bar. So we will take a look about these components in detail. So first is title bar. It is located at the top. It displays project name and application title. It also has buttons for minimizing, maximizing and closing the program. As you can see, this image is not so clear, but if you see my mouse, okay, this is minimize button, this is maximize button, this is the button for closing a program, and here this title bar, it is displaying project name. For example, here it is my movie, and application title like movie maker. Next is menu bar. So below title bar there is a menu bar also. So as you see here, it is menu bar. It contains a collection of all the menus such as home, animations, visual effects, project and view. These options allow us to access, edit and save the movies. See, this is home, animation. Next we have movie maker button. It is located to the extreme left of the menu bar. So this is your movie maker button, and it contains features to create a new project, open, save a project, import from devices, etc. So if you click here, then you will get all these options. Next is a storyboard. It is used to arrange and manage the video clips in our project. It also shows the transitions and visual effects when applied to the clips. So this is the part called storyboard, which contains some images or audios or videos like this. Then next component is preview monitor pane. The black part where you can display a video is called preview monitor pane. It is on the left side and you can watch your video while working on it. If any modification is needed, that can be done before giving a final shape to the movie. So this is just to see a movie or to preview a movie while editing. just before finishing editing. So with this we have finished one part. It was a small video. The next video will contain much more details of this software. So here is riddle of the day. So I have keys but no locks. I have space but no room. You can enter but you cannot go outside. What am I? Do tell me your answer in your comment section and wait for the next video. Right now, thank you very much.